ears. Ayan. And of course, ayan, meron siyang eyes.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, never brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Legit lang ang katapat. Today vlog is we're going to unboxing my green mutia stone. O lamang ka mutia. I have mutia also stone. Ayan, the lucky stone. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. Ayan guys, o diba? Wait lang, I'm doing. And ayan mga kalindog. Dumating na ang aking order na mutia. Ayan, mutia. Meron akong biniling lucky gemstone. Ayan guys, my favorite. So let's open. Ayan, unboxing. I mean, ayan guys. So I bought this like 2 days ago. Ayan. But dumating siya. Ayan guys, look at this. Oh, ang laki ng kanyang box. But anyways, ayan. This is the gemstone. Charan! Ayan mga kalindog. This is the pendant. So we were trying to search some necklace for this pendant. Ayan guys, or chain. Diba? Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo. This is my favorite color. And they said this is lucky gem or lucky stone. So ayan, i-read natin. Manekieko 40mm wolf's cough. Ayan, wolf cough. Ibig sabihin ay ulo ng wolf. Un Heilsten figure made in sacred mutia. Ayan guys, buksan na natin siya or let's make unboxing. Ayan mga kalindog. I saw it. Ayan guys. The color is green. O, diba? Color green. Like my ayan. Like my eyeglass. I mean. Ito naman tayo. Mali-mali. Of course. Ayan guys. So, tignan natin. I don't know how to open. But because very small siya guys. So, open na nga natin. Let's try it. Ayan. Tinanggal ko na. I take it out my eyeglass. Because this is only for far-sighted. So, ayan mga kalindog. Ayan. There we go. Charan-chararan. There again, another plastic. Ayan guys, oh, beautiful, diba? Ayan, nakikita nyo na. I don't know guys kung nakikita nyo na yung gem na yan. Ayan. This gem is a lucky color. Ayan. Kalindog. So, uy. Ayan, o, diba? Pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog. Diba? So, ayan. So, ayan mga kalindog. This is a wolf. Ayan. Tumayo nga tayo guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. It's a kind of wolf. Ayan mga kalindog. Ayan. This is the ears. Ayan. And of course, ayan, meron siyang eyes. Black eyes. And ayan guys. So, ayan, nakita niyo yung hole. Meron siyang, ayan, butas. To put some, ayan guys. I don't know ayan, nakikita nyo right? Mga kalindog. Meron siyang butas or hole to put or to make some necklace. Ayan. Ayan, tulad ng ganyan guys, diba? So, ay mga kalindog, I think maghahanap tayo ng, ng kind of, necklace. Ayan. So, ayan. Marami tayo ditong, nawala. Mga kalindog. Ay, marami tayo ditong, necklace sa ating, mahiwagang, ayan guys. Well, mamimili tayo kung alin ang kakasya dito sa gem na ito. So, ayan guys. Let us see. Ayan. Panuorin nyo. Let's see. Mga kalindog. Diba? Ayan. So, ayan ha. Let's see mga kalindog. So, kung may kakasya. I hope na meron. At, ayan. So, I think, ayan mga kalindog. I-try natin itong, itong pearls ko. Itong pearl na may, ayan, diamond. Charot. Di ba? Ayan. Uy. Hindi ata siya pwedeng matanggal. I think na, that's it. So, ayan mga kalindog. Let's try kung kakasya ang, oops, nawawala ang ating camera. Ayan. Try natin. Wow, ayan guys. Perfect. O, diba? Ayan. So, pwede na natin siyang gawing necklace. Ayan. This is a lucky charms, mga kalindog. Or mga guys. So, ayan. So, nilagay ko siya sa aking silver na necklace. So, ayan. So, let's try. So, ayan mga kalindog. And tanggalin natin ang ating perlas. Perlas ng silanganan. So, ayan mga kalindog. So, there we go mga kalindog. So, anong say nyo? Di ba? Di ba guys? Beautiful siya as in, ayan, maganda, di ba? Ayan guys, this is the head of wolf. Ayan, green. Kasi my favorite color is green. And you know guys, my stone is peridot. It's like, yan, almost green. But anyway guys, ayan, di ba beautiful siya? And ayan, so, ang ganda, di ba? Ayan, at meron siyang eyes, di ba? Yung eyes niya is black eye. Di ba? So, ayan. So, himas-himasin, let's make a curious and like make a wish. Ayan. Wish like a something. Ayan, di ba? This is only, what do you call, mga kalindog? It's only, superstitious belief. It's nasa inyo na yan if you wanna believe or something. But for me, this is a healing for the stress, I think. So, ayan, let's look in Google what is the healing or what is the, ano ba ano yung kanyang lucky for my body. So, ayan mga kalindog, di ba? That's it. And, ayan, beautiful, di ba? Patingin nga, let's see. So, ayan guys, murang-mura lang siya. Binili natin sa ating mga manghuhula or mangkukulang. Charot. So, anyway guys, ayan. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. And guys, don't forget to smile. Ayan, thank you so much. So, see you again, guys. See you again my next video. Bye! O, diba? Ayan, guys. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya. Diba? Bagay na bagay sa, ayan, sa naka-green na. O, diba? Pang summer siya talaga, guys. Yung ating gemstones na yan. O, diba? So, ikot. Ikot. And ikot. So thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.